If you want to know how to get this really easy purple smoky eye look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I haven't set the base, but I'm going to take a black eyeshadow shade. I'm using the James Charles palette as I always do, and I'm going to pack it in the outer corner. Just up to the crease, and then you're going to softly, in circular motions, blend the edges. I'm going to take a bigger angled brush or a detailed brush and pack a dark purple onto where we've blended out the black. Then again with circular motions, you're going to blend that out. Now on a fluffy brush, I'm going to take the lighter purple. First of all, put it top of the crease, and then blend it over. Now taking a flatter brush and taking the dark glittery purple shade, I'm just going to pack it onto the lid. Not all the way, leave the inner corner bit out. Then back on a cleaner fluffy brush, I'm going to take a white and just blend it on the inner corner. Then in the inner corner, just put a white glitter. Now going back with the small detailed brush, you're going to take the black and you're going to stamp it in the lower lash line about 3/4 the way. Then back again with the bigger detailed brush, taking the dark purple, and then you're going to blend it just under that. I'm going to just apply mascara because I can't put lashes on to save my life, and then that'll be it done. And there you have it, a purple smoky eye. If this was helpful, like the video and sub to the channel if you want to see more, and I'll see you next time.